Hello and welcome to Webira. In this video, we will learn how to create a full website using AI without any coding knowledge. The Webira will easily create a multi-page website for you. Now I will show you how it works. First, let's log into Webira. We are now on the dashboard page. Here you can see that I have created multiple websites using AI. Now we will create a completely new website. To create a new website, you can see the Create New Website button here. Let's click on it. Here you can see we have 4 steps to create a website. Currently, we are on the first step. In this step, you need to add your business name and describe your business. Then the AI will analyze the information and create some pages and plans for your website. Now, let's fill in this information first. We have one more input here. Select language. This input is important if you want to create your site in a different language. We have many languages available, and you can select any one if you want the site to be generated in that language. For now, we will select English and then click on the Next button to continue. Right now, the AI is reading the information you provided and creating some pages and descriptions that will be added to your website. Now, we are on the second step of the site creation process. Here you can see that the AI has created some pages based on your inputs, along with descriptions for each page. If you want to add more pages, you can add them, and if you want to delete any page, you can delete it from here. You can also edit this information according to your needs if you want. In the third step, we need to select an AI model that you want to use to create your website. Each AI model has its own credit cost, abilities, and features. You can choose any model based on your needs, but it's best to keep the default Claude AI model, which is great for coding. The next input is Select Website Style. This is an important option. Here you can see different types of website styles, and you can choose the one you prefer. The website will be generated according to the style you select. We are selecting the futuristic style for this website. Let's see how the website looks with this style. The next input is to select an image AI model. All images on a website will be generated using AI, and the images will be created according to the model you select. You can choose any AI model you like, and all models have different costs and abilities, so select one based on your requirements. For now, I am selecting the Flux AI model. The next input is Select Image Style. Choose any image style you want for your website's images. For now, I am selecting Realistic. After selecting the style, click on Next to go to the fourth step. We are now on the fourth and final step of generating the website. In this step, we have 3 inputs: logo upload, theme mood, and colors. In the logo upload section, if you already have your own logo, you can upload it here. If you don't have a logo, don't worry. This step is optional, and you can continue without uploading a logo. For now, I am uploading a logo to show you how it works. Let's upload our logo here to test the process. I have uploaded a logo here, and you can see that the AI automatically generates your site's theme colors based on colors in your logo. It will create the website using a theme that matches your logo's color palette. You can change the colors if you want, regenerate all the colors, or select a theme mood to automatically set the colors based on the mood you choose. Now we have completed all 4 steps. Let's proceed and generate the website. This process will take approximately 3 to 10 minutes, depending on the number of website pages and the information you provided. Now wait until this process is finished. The website plan generation process is completed. Now the AI will create the favicon, header, and all the pages. Once everything is done, Webira will send us an email informing us that the website has been created. Then we will check how the website looks. After a few minutes, I receive an email from Webira, which means our website has been created. Now let's check how our website looks. I am now on the website page. Here you can see that all our pages have been created. Now, let's check the design of this page. This is the web page editor, and here you can see that the AI is generating the images for this section. The other images on the page are also being generated by AI. At the top, You can see how many images have been generated and how many images belong to this page. The nav bar and all page content have been successfully generated, and everything matches the website style we selected. If you want to edit any text, you can edit it directly from here. You also have multiple options in the sidebar to design the page, such as adding margins, aligning text, changing text colors, changing background colors, and many other basic tools that help you edit your web page. Now let's check our other pages. Let's open the services page. On this page, you can see that all sections have been generated according to our theme and website style. You can edit these sections, add more sections, or change any section directly from here. Let's preview this page and see how it will look when you deploy it and use it in the real world. Here you can see how our site will look after deployment. Did you see how easy it is to create a website in Webira? It's very simple to build a complete website. After creating your website, if you want to deploy it, you can go to the deployment page. We have many options for deployment, and you can deploy your site using any of them. Thank you for watching this video.